thank God! My child, my dear daughter-in-law, my heart, you returned safely. Are you okay?
Yes, mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, there is someone who saved me from all the danger.
Don't say that! Don't say that! Only both of you are here? Where is my other daughter-in-law? I mean Parvati. She is fine, right? Tell me!
She ruined our whole plan.
Mother-in-law, had sister-in-law not been there, I might not have been here. She protected me. She faced those men and made her way to me. She fought them to save me. If I'm standing in front of you, it's all because of her.
Parvati! How can I ever repay you? I feel like I don't have words to describe you. I am so happy. I don't know what to do. God, thank you so much. If you were not there for her today, then Samrat's family would have been ruined. I must tell you something. My family is so lucky that you are our daughter-in-law. Dear, I want to apologize for my earlier mistakes. May I see the worst of days. I harmed you in every way. Forgive me. Go inside now. Go. Sumer, you must be praised too. Come with me.
Mom, slap me as much as you like. I know I ruined everything again.
I feel like punching you instead of slapping. But before that, I have to do something very important.
What now? Why did you call me?
I agree that my son Sumer made a big mistake. But now listen to me. Forget about the deal between him and Mr. Tejawar. When Sumer was born, the donkeys were singing outside the hospital. That's why he's an idiot. Listen to me now. Now, we should focus on the earlier deal between me and Mr. Tejawar. I will send Parvati to you. Parvati in lieu of Ruth. Is that okay? Now heed to the next steps.
I have understood enough. Not anymore. Now I have to tell Mr. Thakur about everything.
Okay? Tell him. But you will be in trouble. When he will come to know that two girls fooled an astute one like you. Bangles won't fit you anyway, so probably bracelets will do the honors. Now it's up to you. Goodbye. Today she is saved. But I will give her such a send-off on her wedding day, which never happened to any bride.
Parvati. Parvati dear, you have really done a courageous deed. But it was idiotic too. Had anything happened to you, then Rudra would have killed me. Had Rudra been with you, then I wouldn't have got worried.
Everything went right without him, didn't it? Moreover, had he been with me, he would have not cared for me. He had told it clearly. That is why I didn't care if he was there or not. Sister-in-law, I have brought milk for you. I really didn't understand who those people were and what their intention was.
Mother-in-law was saying that since this house will have a wedding, someone might have done this for a hefty ransom.
Then why did they take you? And that too from your room? Even I have gone crazy. Please forgive me. I keep reminding you of that incident. Now we won't discuss about this anymore.
Yes, we won't discuss this. Let's consider it as a bad dream. As soon as we got up, it was over.
Eeny, miny,
Mini Mo,
catch a tiger by the tail.
let him go.
Come on, now finish the milk quickly.
No.
Sister-in-law, come on, drink this. There it goes. Come on, go on, finish it. Hold on, I'll get some water. Sister-in-law, there is no water. I'll get some right away.
What an idiotic guy that fellow is. He didn't even make a call either. He used to make such big claims. God knows how I made this mistake of having been so convinced of him, and then I relied on him. That he actually has the courage to do something. It means I have to wait until Mahashivratri and the wedding.
Sir, Mrs. Mohini apologized to you for her son's stupidity. And she said that everything will take place as per the plan. Now go from here.
But that bride...
Even the groom won't be as eager for the bride. Don't talk rubbish. My mom talked to Bhima. He has called you there. And listen, go through the back door without making any noise. Got it? And no one should see you. You will be in trouble. One more thing. Don't try to act smart. It costs you dearly. Get out.